Prominent billionaire and businessman Rob Herzog didn't hold back when discussing former South African President Jacob Zuma, as well as other political figures. During his recent appearance on the SMWX podcast, Herzog painted a complex picture of Zuma, describing him as both deeply charming and disastrously ineffective as a leader. Herzog revealed that he had spoken to Zuma over the phone and was struck by the former president's charisma and said he was as charming as I was told he would be. He couldn't be nicer. He knows why he's so popular. He's charming, a Father Christmas figure, a jolly man who likes handing out presents. Despite this personal appeal, Herzog didn't mince words about Zuma's presidency, calling it a disaster for the country. He said it was terrible that he was in power. However, he noted that Zuma's departure could leave his faction, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, struggling to find another leader with his level of influence. Herzog also took aim at Dr. Aaron Motsoaledi, then Minister of Home Affairs, labeling him as incompetent. He contrasted Motsoaledi's performance with that of Democratic Alliance Minister Leon Schreiber, who Herzog claimed he processed about 44,000 outstanding forms in just 3 months, and that Motsoaledi was in office for 3 years and couldn't do what Leon achieved in just 3 months. He criticized the minister's focus on the National Health Insurance Initiative, predicting it will bankrupt the country. Rob didn't spare economic freedom fighters leader Julius Malema, arguing that Malema has lost his relevance in South African politics. However, he acknowledged Malema's intelligence, particularly in adapting his rhetoric for different audiences. Recalling a lunch he hosted, Herzog described how Malema impressed a group of 20 investors, including Herzog's father, with a well-articulated speech. Afterward, his father challenged Malema, asking, "Julius, how can you speak so intelligently here and then sing Kill the Boer in a stadium?" Malema responded and said he plays to the audience. Herzog added that the EFF leader's support has waned as prominent members of his party have left, and he has lost touch with key political dynamics. Herzog's frank critique of South African leadership reflects his broader concerns about governance in the country. While acknowledging individual talents and charisma, he emphasized the need for competence and integrity in leadership, a sentiment that resonates as South Africa faces ongoing political and economic challenges. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.